going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, Simple Interest. So let's learn.
Simple interest. Many of you put money in a piggy bank. Do you get any extra money keeping it for a year? Children, जब आप अपने पिगी बैंक में मनी सेव करते हैं तो क्या आपने देखा कुछ समय बाद या आफ्टर ए ईयर क्या आपको उसमें एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिलता है? नो, ऐसा नहीं होता. बट if you put the same money in a bank, you get some extra money. लेकिन अगर आप वही मनी को बैंक में जमा करोगे तो आपको आफ्टर ए ईयर उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिलेगा. So the extra money you get from the bank is called the interest. जो मनी आपको बैंक में एक्स्ट्रा मिला, that money is called as interest. Terms which we are used in simple interest. The money you deposit or put in the bank is called the principal. जो मनी को हम बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं उस मनी को कहा जाता है प्रिंसिपल एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय P. T is the time or number of years for which the money is deposited or borrowed. यहाँ टाइम मीन्स नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, हम कितने समय के लिए मनी को डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं या फिर बोरोड कर रहे हैं. The interest is calculated at a rate % decided by the bank every year and it is denoted by R%. P.A means per annum or per year. बैंक जो ब्याज की दर डिसाइड करता है उसी को हम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कहते हैं. टोटल मनी यू गेट आफ्टर ए फिक्स टाइम इज कॉल्ड द अमाउंट. आपने जब मनी डिपॉजिट किया और आफ्टर टाइम पीरियड खत्म होने के बाद जो आपको मनी रिटर्न मिलता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अमाउंट. Now calculating simple interest. The simple interest depends upon principal and it is denoted by P. Rate and it is denoted by R. Time it is denoted by T. The formula for calculating the simple interest is simple interest means SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Principal into rate into time upon 100. And the formula of amount is principal plus simple interest. Now to understand it in a better way, let us solve one example. Mr. Jain deposited rupees 5,000 in a bank for 3 years at the interest rate of 10% per annum. So, what interest will he get after 3 years and what amount will the bank return to him? Let's solve. Mr. Jain ने बैंक में मनी डिपॉजिट किए, how much? That is rupees 5,000. So, this is the principal. So here principal is rupees 5,000 और कितने समय के लिए जमा किए? So this is time, that is 3 year. 3 year के लिए उन्होंने मनी डिपॉजिट किए and rate of interest is 10%. So we know that simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. And here principal is rupees 5,000, rate is 10% and time is 3 years. So 5,000 into 10 into 3 upon 100. Now cancel 102, 10, again 102, 10 and multiply 500 into 3. So rupees 1,500 we get as simple interest. Now what amount will the bank return to him? So, we know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, and here principal is rupees 5,000 and simple interest is rupees 1,500. Now add, that is 6,500. So, Mr. Jain will get rupees 6,500 return. So, children, like this you can solve simple interest sums.